Hi, I'm Lori Grunin, Senior Editor with CNET, and this is a preview of the Samsung TL225. Well, it has all the typical features that we're seeing in compact cameras these days: 12 megapixel resolution, wide-angle 4.6x zoom lens, mechanical image stabilization, and so on. This camera adds a few twists to your typical ultra-compact. First, it has a touchscreen. Once again, nothing new. But Samsung introduced a vibrating haptic feedback to it. So when you press on things, the screen vibrates. The LCD is also big. It's 3.5 inches. And it's one of the new high-resolution displays that we've started to see, 1.1 megapixels. Another novel new feature, I don't know whether you consider it gimmicky or not, is an LCD on the front of the camera. Now, the idea of something like that isn't new. If you remember back a long time ago in the digital camera world, they used to put mirrors on the front of cameras so that when you were taking a self-portrait, you had that visual feedback. There was a mirror on the camera. I don't know if it's gimmicky or not. I really haven't decided, but I'm intrigued by it, in part because they can run little animations on it. So if you're photographing a child, the child will at least be looking at the camera. They may still be making faces or whatever, but they will be looking at the camera. The other thing is that it incorporates smile shutter. So if you're taking a self-portrait, it can wait until it sees you making a relatively normal face and then snap it. Another variant on that is that when you're using the self-timer, it will show you a countdown so you know exactly when it's going to shoot. Plus, the self-timer can take 2 shots, so it'll count down, shoot, and then it'll count down again, a shorter countdown this time, and shoot again. So it seems like Samsung did put a lot of thought into the implementation of this front LCD to not just make it gimmicky. Finally, Samsung has moved to micro SD as the media format for this camera in order to shave, several millimeters off the thickness. This is the size of SD. This is micro SD. This is really not a good format for something that you're going to be taking in and out of a device. It's fine when you stick it in your cell phone and leave it there, but if you're the type of person who likes to take your media in and out